Hi, this is Eli from Production Expert, and we're going to look at correcting some Sibilance problems in Revoice Pro 4. So rather than using the traditional sidechain compression or dynamic EQs, which are pretty blunt tools, we can go in and graphically edit them here easily. Let's listen to the original vocal.
I hear your voice in the wind. I feel you under my skin.
So there's a couple of problems. There's some tuning problems as well, but let's focus on the Sibilance. Warp mode, which is used for manual editing, is the easiest way to handle this type of de-essing.
I hear your voice in...
So at the end of voice, we can see the energy here displayed differently in Revoice Pro. It's unpitched audio, and I'm going to hit the S key command, which switches us into level editing mode here, and we can see it's updated, and we can manually go here and switch to dB. But now I can pull the S down. There's just no way to select and attenuate S's as easily as this with traditional de-essers.
Hear your voice in the wind.
Let's pull this breath down once we're here.
And I feel you.
The F in feel is a bit strong.
I feel you under my skin.
All right, skin, we have a couple of problems here. The S is loud, but also the K. There's a bit of a spike in the waveform, and you can see it here.
Skin.
So it's a little difficult to correct in Logic. I tried redrawing it with a pencil tool, but here we'll be able to get it a lot smoother. I'm going to hit S to exit this mode, and we see the energy here and the unpitched audio. I'm going to grab this little icon and bring it closer to the S so that it's all together.
My skin.
And now I can hit S again to go back to editing the level, and I can grab them both together and bring them all down and just get the whole thing a lot smoother sounding. You can see the reduction there. Let's listen to that.
My skin.
A little too much.
Under my skin. Under my skin.
It's a lot smoother. This type of simple graphic editing in Revoice Pro's Warp mode is one of my favorite ways to clean up and polish a vocal performance. This is Eli Kransberg for Production Expert signing out.